Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the dealer user how a new application is manually entered into DecisionLender's front end. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. Click on the Work Queue tab. Click on the New Application sub-tab. The New Application page opens. Select the loan type for the application being entered by clicking on the Loan Types field and selecting the appropriate loan type from the drop-down list. You can select whether the application criteria will be entered on a Show All option, which will open the entire application, or on a per-tab basis to enter by sections. For this example, we will use the Show All option. All fields marked with an asterisk are required fields and must be entered. If this loan application will have a cosigner, click on the Add Co-Applicant button, and a Co-Applicant tab will be created. First, we will enter the information for the primary applicant. Starting with the applicant's first name, fill in the applicant information section. Be sure to complete all the required fields. Now enter the applicant's address information. The first field is Address Type. Choose from the drop-down list. I am choosing Primary. The next field is Address Format. Choose from the drop-down list. Depending on the format you choose, different fields will become available. I am choosing Street. Continue to complete the information in this section. Click on the Add Address button to create an additional address entry section. Click the trash can icon to delete incorrect entries. The next section is Employment. Enter all the requested information for this employment. If you need to add an additional employment, click on the Add Employment Plus button, and an additional Add Employment section will open. Enter any income other than from a job or occupation. Some examples would be alimony, investments, rental properties, etc., in the Source Kind field. Enter the requested information about this income. The next section is References. Click on the Add References button. Enter the information about this reference. The most important fields are the contact name and the relationship. To add another reference, click on the Add References button. We will now enter the loan details. The first subsection is Collateral. To add a collateral item, select Manual from the drop-down. In this example, for Condition, we will enter Used. Enter the rest of the required fields. The next section is Trade-in. In this section, the user will add the information for a trade-in vehicle if applicable. Enter all the information requested for the trade-in vehicle. Enter all the required information in the next 4 subsections: Finance details, ads, fees, and terms. If you have any notes you wish to include in this application, click on the Add Note button. These are notes that will allow the dealer to send additional information within the application to the lender. Notes are optional. Enter the subject and comments for the note. You may click on the blue Add Note button to add an additional note, including a new subject and comment. You have now completed entering the application. You must click the Submit button. This submits the application to the lender's DecisionLender site. You will receive a message informing you that you have successfully submitted an application. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.